Walaikum assalam. How are you, everyone?
What about you?
Good, energy level. Take your seat. Open your books and copies, please. You must have your pencil in your hand. Write your notes. Which chapter we are going to start now?
Neutralization.
It's about we have already studied about pH. We have already studied about acids and alkalis, and it's our second lesson.
Yes.
Today we are going to talk more about acids and more about alkalis, and then we shall talk about neutralization. Is that?
Yes.
Is that? Yes. Are you ready for your questions?
Yes.
I am. Okay, today we shall find out, we shall try to find out the answer. What happens when an acid is added to an alkali? We have talked about acids, we have talked about alkalis. Alkalis is the other name of base. And then we shall talk about what is chemical
equation.
Is that first, let me write. Subject is
Science.
and topic is
Neutralization.
good. I want your good energy level. First of all, what should we do? Write our base sentence. Let's think what I have decided for today's. Be moderate in order to taste the joys of life in abundance. Would you like to speak it out?
Be moderate in order to taste the joys of life.
What do you mean by moderate? Moderate. Moderate.
Happy, modern,
Hmm?
happy,
Hmm?
helpful,
Moderate मीडियम से है. मीडियम से है. उर्दू में से क्या बोलेंगे?
be medium, normal, intolerant.
मेयाना रवि बोलते हैं इसे. मीडियम होना. ना जिंदगी में बहुत ना गुस्सा करना. इतने मीठे ना बन जाओ तो कोई तुम्हें निगल ले. न्यूट्रलाइजिंग. यस, जवाब है. ऑफ लाइफ इन अबंडेंस. देखने मैंने आपके लिए ढूंढ के लाई हूँ जो आपके टॉपिक्स हैं. Read it once again.
Be moderate in order to taste the joys of life in
अगर आप जिंदगी का मजा लेना चाहते हो, जिंदगी की हर चीज का कसरत से, abundance कसरत से वासी क्वांटिटी, बिग क्वांटिटी में, तो फिर क्या होना चाहिए आपको? मॉडरेट होना चाहिए. इतने कड़वे ना हो जाओ कि कोई आपको थूक दे, और इतने मीठे ना हो जाए कि कोई आपको लड़कियों को वैसे थोड़ी. Okay, let's start our today's lesson. First, let me check what you have already know about. Today we shall talk about what is acid. Define acid, define base, and then neutral materials. And explain the difference between the acid, base, and neutral materials with examples. Explain the concept of pH. When we write pH, which one is smaller, which one is capital?
P is smaller and H is capital.
What do you mean by pH?
Presence of hydrogen.
Hydrogen ion. How do we write H ion? H ion को कैसे लिखते हैं? H plus. Is that hydroxyl ion OH minus H plus What is H plus? Hydrogen ion. That's why we write it capital. And P. P stand for presence of hydrogen ion. That is H plus. Explain the concept of pH and how it relates to acid and base. We have a little bit knowledge about it.
Yes.
We have seen pH scale.
Yes.
And then we know that its pH scale starts from 0 and ends at
40.
And there is a midpoint.
7.
7 is
Neutral.
We know the word neutral, but today we shall talk about neutralization. किसी चीज को neutral बनाना कैसे है ये आज देखेंगे. Before this we know that if some substances have greater quantity of H plus ion, it means it is acid or base. It is if H plus ion is greater.
Base.
No. H plus ion is acid. You define acid. How do you define acid? The presence of
Hydrogen.
and if the quantity of hydrogen ion is greater, then it is
Acid.
more acid or less acid?
More
acid. So it means if pH is 0 or 1, it means it is less acid or more acid? More acid. Today we shall also relate it with the greater than or smaller than or ordinal numbers. Clear? So keep it in mind that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Till 7 it is acidic. At 7 it is neutral. And after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. It is alkali. Alkali or base. You can say base. You can say base. Alkali या base. ठीक है? आप इसे alkali भी बोल सकते हो, आप इसे base भी बोल सकते हो. So both. Then identify and classify different types of acids and bases. This identification at your level we shall just define at a strong acid or weak acid, strong base or weak base. After that, write word equation and chemical equation for neutralization reaction. Identify general and specific form of equation. Recognize the hazardous and measure its safety. Conduct an experiment to demonstrate a neutralization reaction. मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही मजे का एक experiment लाई हूँ, and you will perform this experiment and you will yourself find out how to read this pH. आप में से किसी ने मुझसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि pH 7 है, pH 3 है? For that I have bring this instrument for you. This is called pH scale meter. And you will find out this pH scale. Clear? So let's revise our concept about next. This is our pH scale. We have already talked about. At 1, what is?
Gastric acid.
Gastric acid. That is acid in your stomach. If this acid has increased its quantity, if you feel some acidity, what do you feel that? Heartburn, okay. Heartburn होता है. You feel some bad. Vomit feel होता है. Acidity का पता चलता है आपको acidity होती क्या? हाँ. Burp. आप उसे उर्दू में डकार कहते हो. अजीब-ओ-गरीब किस्म की feelings आती हैं, vomiting feeling आती है. That is. Then number 2. If the pH is 2, pH 2 पे कौन है? Lemon juice. pH 3,
Apple juice.
keep in mind that pure juice is not acidic. It's not just like 3. It depends upon the quantity of pure acid and quantity of water added in it. Clear? Pure water and acid added in it. So then tomato juice. Number 4. At 5 it is black
coffee.
At 6.
Milk.
At 7.
Yogurt.
8. 9.
Baking soda.
10.
Hand soap.
11.
Ammonia solution.
12.
bleach,
13.
concentrated solutions of alkali.
As these are concentrated solutions, so these are hazardous for you. So we do not use it directly in the classroom. We just demonstrate these alkalis. We use weak acids, we use weak base, but strong acid and strong base are hazardous. That's why we avoid them. So it is very clear to you what is pH. Can you repeat it once again?
Presence of hydrogen ion.
Presence of hydrogen ion. You have already written at your copies. Yes. We have P. Which one is capital? Which one is smaller?
P is smaller and H is capital.
Why P is smaller and H capital? H capital because hydrogen element. Yes, good. H stand for hydrogen element. That's why it is capital. And we write it H plus. Why we write it H plus? Because it is hydrogen ion. It is ionic state. That's why we write it H plus. And for base, the definition will convert it into hydroxyl ion. ये जो H plus आपने बोला है, H ion बोला है, you will convert it into hydroxyl ion. सिर्फ ये word change करना है, definition base की हो जाएगी. So how do you define base?
The
Presence of hydroxyl ion. Presence of
hydroxyl ion.
And how you write hydroxyl ion?
OH
negative. Which one capital? Which one smaller?
O capital.
O capital, H also capital. Why both are capital? O stand for oxygen and H stand for
Hydrogen.
As these both are elements, so symbol of the elements, first letter of the elements is written as capital. O capital, H capital. Hydroxyl we put minus sign because it is negative ion. That's why. We met many substances in our daily life, in daily routine, so we can differentiate into acid and base, and depend upon their properties. Depend upon their properties. अब जितने भी substances we met in our life, we have different properties of those materials. Like we have, how does it look like? Yes, what is the state of matter at room temperature and pressure, either it is solid, liquid or gas, and what are the properties we can differentiate? Texture देखो, hard है, soft है, shiny है, dull है, good conductor और bad conductor है, but yes. And there is another property, that is pH scale. So pH level कितना? What is the pH level? Okay. So color, texture, extra. Gigi, what do you want to ask?
I want to ask that what happens when acid and base are mixed together?
Oh, good question. If someone by mistake add an acid or a base, then what will happen?
You will react.
Acid has much more. Acid has pH level up to 0 to 6. 0 to 6.
Yes.
Acids have pH 0 to 6, and base have 8 to 14. 8 to 14. And if you mix them, they will become a central point or moderate point. pH, that pH will be at the midpoint. Like if you have numbers 10, 20, 40, 80, इसको आप यूँ समझ लो. If you have number 10, 20, 40, 80 and 100, ये आपके पास 5 नंबर आ गए. अभी हम pH की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो pH तो 10, 20 में नहीं होती, लेकिन यहाँ पर मैथ्स में हम समझ लेते हैं कि ऐसे ऐसे नंबर हैं. अब इसमें छोटे नंबर भी हैं, there are smaller numbers, there are greater numbers, but once we add them, हमने इन सबको इकट्ठा कर लिया, मिक्स कर लिया, we mix them 10, 20 plus 40 plus 80 plus 100, how much we get? 250. 50. And then we divide it by 5. How many quantities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It's just like average, na? So we will get a midpoint, that is 50. 50 will lie in between 10 to 40. Then 50 will be there. 180. Before 80 there is 50. That is midpoint. If you mix two substances like that, one has greater pH. And when you talk about greater pH, you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 7 is neutral. This will move like this. Keep in your mind greater than or less than. Greater than and greater than or less than. Which one is greater than, which one is less than? Math वाला ही concept है. So this one is going to increase or decrease? Increase. Going to increase. So pH is going to increase this side. And pH going to decrease this side. pH going to decrease this side. So acids have decreased pH or increased pH. Greater or less? Acid has less or lower pH. And base has greater pH or larger pH. Clear? So if you mix them, वैसे मिक्सर होता कैसे? घर में एसिड पड़ा हुआ है. Yes, if someone spills it by mistake, जानबूझ के तो कोई नहीं गिराता ना. ऐसे एसिड पड़ा हुआ था. मेरी मम्मी है यहाँ से रखनी है एसिड. We keep away from the children's range. That it is very hazardous. हम तो उसको बड़े एहतियात से रखते हैं. But sometimes it may by mistake. If you spill the acid, what will you do?
We will add
base in it.
Yes. Speak out. Yes. Which kind of base you can find at your home?
washing powder.
Baking powder. Okay. Washing powder you can use in such a way. हाँ कि आप घर में कहीं भी आपको नजर आए डिटर्जेंट और सर्फ नजर आए. So what do you think? Acha, who will come to perform this experiment now? Come. There are two liquids over here. One is water. That's why I put it in larger quantity. This one is acid. Water and acid. And there is another thing that is plant. We use neutralization for the farming. And Rahma will try to explain you how we can find out the pH. Okay, do. It is giving full reading. Why? Because, okay, just listen. This one has two switches over there. What is that? Moist. And the other thing is pH. Moist and then pH. And what we have to do now? We are not going to calculate the moist level. If you want to calculate the moist level, you can find out the moist level of a plant. Insert it, fully insert it. Okay. Moist level.
It's like between 6.
Check. Moist level is at 5. Okay. Then if we add water in it, is that increased now or not? Oh, now it is giving full. Now it is giving full as we have added water in it. So moist, we use this meter for moisture level, and if just we want to calculate the pH, it is safe to use that. Find the pH of water first. Change the point, yes, pH.
It's like above 6.
Above 6. What is the pH level of water? The water that we use in our home, that is neutral, so it has pH level 7. ये मैंने इसमें 6 आ गया, doesn't matter, कुछ impurity आ गई होगी. Okay, check the pH of acid.
It's like between 2 and 3.
Vinegar has in between 2 and 3. It's more about approximately 2.5, you can say, in between 2 and 3. So for vinegar, pH level is 2.4. So come, thank you Rama. Clap for Rama. You all can perform that. Is that if Rama can do, you can also perform that. We shall get time enough, inshallah, to perform all these things. Okay. Now let's revise something, that vinegar has pH up to 2.4 to 3.5. You can write on your copies. pH for vinegar 2.4 to 3.4. Mud, it's about 6. Mud, it can vary. The pH of mud can vary. Baking soda 8.3 to 8.4. Water 7. Yogurt 3.5 to 4.5. Milk 6.5 to 6.7. Okay, can you give some more example of the acid? How many acids we have done in our class? How many acids we have done?
Citric.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five. Which one?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Nitric acid.
Nitric acid.
Phosphoric acid.
Phosphoric acid. And
Citric acid.
citric acid. Which one is the strongest acid?
Sulfuric.
Sulfuric is the strongest acid. It means it will have the pH. Which pH it will have? Strongest. Strongest. It means it will have pH 0. All acids, if they are found in pure form or at room temperature and pressure, they will be at 0. And so pH, which one is the weakest? Citric acid. And when you add acid plus alkali, you will get, yes, you have a question.
What would happen if we mix two strong mixtures of acid and two strong mixture of base?
टू स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड को एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस को मिला दिया. ओके, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन हमारी डेली लाइफ में कहाँ का इस्तेमाल होती है, कहाँ का इफेक्ट करती है? Whenever you get up early in the morning, what did you do first? Brush your teeth. Why do you brush your teeth? Because your mouth is acidic and you have to make it neutralize acidity. You use different kind of antacids like medicines. कौन सी मेडिसिन यूज करते हो? गैसलिन, Trunks, Hajmola. Why do you use this? Just to neutralize that acid. Okay. Any other question?
Why do we anticide to neutralize the
Anticide जो मैंने भी लोग basic is anti-acids. And when you talk this antacid, these are to neutralize our acidity, and these are the medicines that we use. Any other question? Yes.
Ma'am, what's the difference between base and acid?
Acid and base. The first difference is about H plus ion and OH ion. एसिड्स एंड बेस में जो मेजर डिफरेंस है वो है उनका एसिड में H आयन होता है और बेस में OH आयन होता है हाइड्रोक्साइड। एसिड्स आर डेंजरस एंड बेस आर लेस, दे आर आल्सो डेंजरस बट दे आर इरिटेंट मोर देन इरिटेंट। एसिड्स को और बेस को हम यूज करते हैं, वी यूज इन मैनी थिंग्स लाइक फार्मर्स यूज दैट। जमीन के अंदर जब एसिडिटी बढ़ जाती है, दे यूज फर्टिलाइजर्स, they use many kind of fertilizers and they increase the pH of the mud. In that case they cannot get good crop, yield कम हो जाती है। जब yield उनकी पर सीजन कम होगी then they have to neutralize that soil। उस soil को, उस mud को neutralize करने के लिए they have to use base। अगर बेसिसिटी बढ़ गई है तो एसिड यूज करते हैं, अगर एसिडिसिटी बढ़ जाए तो फिर वो बेस यूज करते हैं। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट केमिकल इक्वेशन। When an acid combined with an alkali, what will we get? We will get salt
plus water.
plus
Water.
water. Salt plus water. There are many kind of salts that we get. For example, आप एसिड्स में कौन कौन से एसिड ले सकते हो? HCl ले सकते हो, you can take HCl, you can take H2SO4। इन दोनों में से आप लेने के लिए ज़्यादा इजी है। देन यू कैन यूज HNO3। इन तीनों में से हम कोई भी एसिड ले सकते हैं, जैसे हम बाकी भी ले सकते हैं, बट दैट इज इजी। बैलेंस द इक्वेशन। अल्कली, अल्कली के लिए आप क्या लेंगे? इफ यू टेक lithium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, if we are writing in formula form, that is chemical equation and this is general equation। general equation में हमने acid की जगह पे acid का नाम नहीं लिखा हुआ, that is acid, any kind of acid, acid in 3 4 5 में से कोई भी हो सकता है। and we have write alkali, any kind of alkali, lithium hydroxide, lithium के अलावा sodium hydroxide, you can use sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, these are calcium hydroxide, then you can use sodium hydroxide, NaOH। इनमें से कोई सा भी आप यूज कर लें। एक चीज that one thing is there, salt तो बनना ही बनना है लेकिन वाटर लाजमी बनना है। H2O plus H2O plus H2O, H2O is that water is there, water is there, water is there, water तो बनना ही बनना। Now how we get this water? If I get this hydrogen, if I get this hydroxide ion, what is left? Lithium and chloride. So I will get lithium chloride. Okay. If H2 is there, if OH is there, sodium, water we will mix and calcium or sulfate। इक्वेशन का बैलेंस करना भी आपने इतना नहीं सीखा हुआ है, लेकिन वाटर का है कि आप जब इसे करोगे Ca2 SO4, तो Ca2SO4 H2 यहाँ पर है तो यहाँ से 2H आपके यहाँ से होगा। इक्वेशन का बैलेंस करना भी आपने इतना नहीं सीखा, बट you can distinguish between a general form equation। Can you distinguish between general form equation? What is general form of equation? Acid, salt plus water. And what is specific form of equation? Specific form of equation, HCl plus lithium hydroxide, lithium chloride. And you can write, if you write formula, that is called chemical equation. But if you write hydrochloric acid, that is hydrochloric acid। अगर आप इसको इस तरह से लिखते हो, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड प्लस lithium hydroxide, if you write it in full spelling, then it is called chemical equation। But then this is called word equation। अगर आप इसको वर्ड की फॉर्म में लिखते हो तो वर्ड इक्वेशन, अगर आप इसे केमिकल्स की फॉर्म में लिखते हो that is chemical equation। Now can you distinguish between chemical equation?
Yes, yes.
And can you distinguish between a word equation, general equation and specific equation? What is this kind of?
This is
General equation. And what is this?
specific.
And how can you distinguish these two? This one is
word equation.
word equation. This one is
Chemical
equation. So neutralization is very important in our life. Farmers used to put some kind of acidic chemicals, some kind of base chemicals to neutralize the soil. आपको मजे की बात बताऊं, टमाटर की अगर आपको बहुत अच्छी फसल चाहिए ना तो उसमें आप शुगर डालें। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी डाल दें, एक पॉट में 1 और 2 स्पून आप उसका शुगर का डाल दें। सिमिलरली सिट्रस फ्रूट्स, उनमें आप सॉल्ट की कुछ क्वांटिटी डाल दें तो आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा फ्रूट मिलता है, उसकी यील्ड, उसकी पैदावार को बढ़ाने के लिए। इज दैट? आज हमने काफ़ी पढ़ लिया और छुट्टी का टाइम भी हो गया। ओके, थैंक यू।